Fireproof A2 grade aluminum composite panel, A2 ACP. A2 ACP is non-combustible grade aluminum composite panel. It is A2, S1, D0 grade and mainly used for architectural wall cladding. Sunshine A2 is with superior exterior wall cladding performance. PVDF coating with HYLR 5000 or KYNAR 500. Nice appearance. High resistance to weather and pollution. High strength and flexibility. Easy to design and install. Sunshine A2 is certified by GB 8624-2012, GB T17748-2016, and also certified by SGS, Intertek, and so on.